BDC, BDC, BDC. What's going on, everyone, everywhere? BDC here, back for another video tutorial presentation. Alright, so let's jump over here to Google. Let me go into Google right here and let this do what it's gonna do. Okay, let's go over here and jump on Redbubble. Alright, come on. Alright, so I'm all logged into Redbubble. As you guys know, I have recently set myself up a Redbubble sticker shop. Okay, I have a few other things inside of there, but predominantly stickers is what I'm selling on this Redbubble shop. Okay, so what I want to do for you guys right now in this video is I'm getting ready to upload a sticker that I just recently created. So I'm going to take you guys through the process of uploading a sticker. Even though I did that in part 1, there were some things that I did not mention that I want to show you guys in this part, and this is part 2. So let's move forward. Okay, let me go up here and let me click on my icon right here. Go stick it. That is the name of my Redbubble shop, guys. And from here I want to go to add new work. So I'm gonna click on add new work. Let it do its little thing loading up. Okay, so once you're back inside, just simply come down, click on upload new work. It's still doing this thing over here. I don't know what's going on with my internet, guys. I really don't. Alright, so once you're inside and you're on this page for add work, just simply come down here, click on upload new work. Y'all should know this process because I did go over this in part 1, but I'm going over it now since you're going to be watching me. Upload an image. Alright, so once you got your image uploaded, this is just a little sticker that I threw together. As you all know, my whole channel is based around self-awareness and just consciousness, you know what I mean? Things that really make people think, you know. So it's pretty, you know, it can be kind of racy, some of my stickers that I create, but it all falls in and coincides with, you know, things that are going on today. Alright, and these topics they sell very well on Redbubble, so I'm just going to copy that title that I just gave it. Just give your sticker a little title like I showed y'all in part 1. I'm going to come down here to my description. I'm just going to paste that. Now you can go ahead and add more to your description if you want to. On a later date I probably will come back in here and tweak these, but for now I'm just leaving this for the sake of this video right now. Okay, and for my tags, as you all know, I have installed here Redbubble tag generator. Now you can find this by going to your extensions. If you go to your extensions, I don't know what kind of PC you on. I'm on a Windows 11, but what you would do is you would go to your little puzzle thingy right here, come down to manage extensions, click on manage extensions. Inside of manage extensions, you just simply want to come over here, click on the little hamburger 3 lines, come down, click on open Chrome web store. Inside the web store, just simply go ahead and type in Redbubble tag generator. Okay, so moving forward, I'm going to click on this, and here I'm going to say something like let's say end war. See what we can find with that one. Okay, and just click grab tags. Let me take my caps off. Okay, Avengers, Marvel, Infinity War, difficult dinner, direction, blah blah blah. I don't even have, yeah, I don't think that's good, so we'll just take this end out, leave that war right there. Matter of fact, let me click off of that, let me start that all over again, click back on it, and right here I'm just going to simply type war. Okay, grab tags. Okay, Marvel, War, Avengers. I don't know. I guess maybe that's what people look for when they look for war. So I'm just going to take them and input to Redbubble. Okay, and there's my tags right there. I'm going to scroll down right here. And what you want to do is, unless you see something that you think maybe this will look good. I don't know. This might look good on the t-shirt. I'm going to keep that. Keep it. But for me, I'm going to disable all of these because I'm just doing stickers. Okay, so hold tight, I'll be right back. Just simply click on the green and it will turn to disable. Now once you click disable on the first couple of them, the rest of them may just automatically go to disable. So pay attention to that, guys, because you don't want to just be clicking because you might be enabling them all over again. And then you go look at your store and you're like, hey, I didn't put all this stuff on here. So, you know, that's just a little tidbit to pay attention to. See, this is already disabled, so that's what I'm talking about right there, right? Okay, but I got to keep this one because we are doing stickers and magnets. Oh, before I move forward, this is one of the things that I did want to show you guys. Inside of here, stickers and magnet, what you want to do is click on edit. And inside of edit, what you can do is, if you want to replace this image, you're not happy with it, just simply click right here, replace image. Your folder will open up, folder explorer will open up, and then pick another image, okay? But for now, I'm happy with this one. I'm just going to come right here to the little wheel toggle, click on the wheel toggle. And in here we can change and bump up the markup, which bumps up the price. Because right now, stickers are $292, $269 stickers, transparent $324, magnet $790. Now, if you feel like you want to sell yours for a little bit more because you want a little more profit, then go ahead and bump this up. So I do like to bump mine up, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like this is my artwork. I should get paid a little something for my artwork. I mean, we dealing with stickers, so stickers ain't really that much as it is, you know what I mean? So I want to bump it up at least a little bit, you know, but they're still fairly, you know, a very reasonable price, you know what I'm saying? They still not expensive, you know, because it's just stickers. So we ain't talking about, you know, $20, $50, $100, you know what I'm saying? So I just bump them up to about 50%. You can bump them all the way up to 100 if that's what you choose to do. It's your store. You can do your thing, okay? So I just keep mine like that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And yo, yeah, the stickers do come in all kind of sizes, which is why Redbubble recommends that you download them on a PNG background, and also that you download them at a 28 by 28 download resolution, okay? They recommend that size because that size fits on all size stickers, small, medium, large, etc. Because your stickers can go up to about, I'm going to say, what we call poster size, right? I think like maybe not poster size like this, but you know what I'm saying, like album cover size, I'll say, okay? So yeah, after you do all that, just simply click apply changes and let me keep disabling. Now, as you know, once you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you just simply want to come to media, select up to 2. We're going to select design and illustration, digital art. Down here, default product in your shop. I'm going to click this little download and I'm going to click sticker. That lets Redbubble system know that our default is stickers. So when people are searching stickers in the search bar, your stickers will come up if you have stickers under that genre that they're searching for, okay? So there you go, and everybody is public, okay? There's no nudity, so click no. I have the right to sell this, click that, and just simply save artwork. Up here we can see it's processing. And up here you can see it says design published. This might take up to 15 minutes to appear. You can add another design if you choose to, or for the sake of this video, let me just keep moving. So now, this is part of the part that I really wanted to show you guys, as well as changing your prices and your markups. Here, you can go to this arrow right here. It's showing you, it's giving you a diagram of what your sticker will look like on all the things that you selected. Oh, see, I need to go back because I meant to take this off. A mouse pad. Yeah, we ain't want that. So let me go back and take that off real quick, y'all. And if you see something you didn't mean to put in there, just simply come up to edit. Click on edit. It'll take you right back where you can take that off. If you have to go back and edit anything, you're always going to have to come down to the bottom because you're going to have to click this box right here once again that you have the right. Click that box once again. Go back to save work. Bada bing, bada boom. And now, as I was saying to you guys before I had to go back, once your image has been fully uploaded, scroll down a little bit of ways, and right here we can see what the face mask. I'm keeping that because this kind of seems appropriate for a face mask to me. So we can see what it's going to look like on a magnet kit. Well, okay, I picked mask, kids mask, sticker, glossy sticker, transparent sticker, flat mask. Okay, so yeah, I guess it gives you two. Okay, yeah, because this is the kids, so it's the kids and the grown-ups. Okay, so boom, that's cool. So now what you can do is you can click on this arrow right here if you wanted to, and you can share it to one of your social media platforms straight from here. Like, let's say if I click this right here and I come right here to share to Facebook, it'll share straight to my Facebook. Okay, so you can share it to your Facebook from here. You can share it to your Twitter, your Tumblr if you have a Tumblr, which I do need to set up, your Pinterest, and I hope you all do have a Pinterest, because Pinterest is something else I'm going to show you guys, not in this video, but in another video. I'm going to show you guys how to set up a Pinterest campaign or a Pinterest pin and advertise your print-on-demand shop on Pinterest. Okay, so yeah, Pinterest is definitely the way to go, y'all, especially in 2023, because Pinterest is like one of the biggest social media platforms outside of Facebook and Twitter. Okay, down here we can click on the three dots right here. You can download your image, which I suggest you do. Create yourself a folder, download all your images, because you're going to need your images for your promoting your shop. You can copy the link, copy your link, click on it, click on your link. I have an extension with a notepad up here at the top. You can go back to your extension store, find you a notepad to download so it's easy access for you. Okay, save your link, because you're going to need that for your promoting as well, especially on Pinterest. Okay, view your product on this page. Click right here just to check it out. And right here we can see exactly what our product is going to look like. Now these are the same images that you can download. You can download the image of the refrigerator, excuse me, so people can see what it looks like on the fridge. You can download this one. You can download this one. They're all over there on that last page that we was on. But this is what your image or your sticker or whatever will look like when people come to, let's say, purchase it. They'll come to this page, right? And they also have a payment plan for people who pay in 4 interest-free payments of $247. So let's just say the person don't have the whole $99.89 for the magnet right now. They can do interest, $247. Okay, this is the small size, that's $9.87. If we click the drop down, we can see different sizes in here. It goes from small to medium. That's probably because of the way I have it downloaded. So that would mean if I wanted it to be on the big one, like I told y'all, that means I need to go back now and do some tweaking with this image. I probably need to go back and make this image a little bigger inside my software, my silhouette. Okay, but if you have it big enough, even though I saved it at 28 by 28, for whatever reason it's not showing me the largest size right here, because normally we should see small, medium, large, and you know, I believe that's how it goes, small, medium, and large. Okay, so yeah, that's normally what you would see. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to tweak that, and then they tell you right here what the delivery date should be for the person. Okay, returns are free and easy, exchange or money back guarantee for all orders. Okay, so Redbubble handles everything for you, and you really don't have to worry about anything, just making sure that your images are the correct size and download it correctly. Okay, so this part right here is on my bag. Okay, I gotta go back and fix that, or I can just leave it just like this, and then people only have 2 sizes that they can choose from. So if I click on this one right here, medium size, okay, you see my price jumped up to $10.58. So according to the sizes, okay, that's how the price is going to go. So let's see, view size guide. What is this? Okay, small, medium. Right now these are the only 2 sizes that I have. Okay, so I can change this, or I can just leave it like that, and that's all people have to choose from, is small or medium. It's up to you, or me in this case. You dig? So, you know, that's it for that part right there. And then let me jump back over here to this side of Pinterest. So, like I said, guys, oh yeah, there's one more thing that I wanted to show you guys too. One more thing I want to show you guys, and I'm going to come back to the top right here. Before I end this, let me show you guys this real quick. Let's go right here to edit. So right here inside edit, right back on the edit page. So since I have my face-to-face mask enabled, if you come to edit, here's another thing that you can do when you're editing. Okay, if let's say you were selling it on something else, like a face mask in this case, or a t-shirt or whatever, right? Inside of edit, down here we can choose the background color. So if I set background, I can pick this background to be different, so the mask will come in, let's say black, right? But I don't want that. I think I'm just gonna keep it at white, because to me it makes it stand out a little bit better. But let's see what it look like. Nah, I think that I'll keep it on black. That's really the color that people will see when they come to your page. They ain't really gonna get it in that color, I don't believe. Okay, I could be wrong, so don't quote me on that and don't judge me. Okay. But also what you can do right here is we can scale this image up. If you feel like you want to make it a little bit bigger, you got a little more space inside your safe place, your safe zone. You can make it bigger. We can come down here, we can choose a pattern. Now if I wanted to choose a pattern, I usually go with regular grid. For some of my stuff that I do have selected, I go to regular grid, and then that's when you can do something like this. And if we do something like this, then what happens is it kind of multiplies the image, right? So now what's going to happen is that on that mask, it'll look like this. See what I'm saying? So that was just a little tidbit that I wanted to tell you guys. So I'm going to put it back on. I'm going to put it back. No, I'm going to leave it on black. What you think? How does it look on that black? Leave it on that black? Yeah, I'll leave it on that black. Kind of look cool on the black. So I'll leave it on the black, and I'll just click apply changes. And you know what, guys, that's it really. It was just a little something that I wanted to show you guys, things that I didn't go over in the last one, part 1, that I wanted to make sure I cover with you guys, because in these series about Redbubble, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pretty much put together a Redbubble shop step by step. Okay, as I go along, I'm going to take you guys along with me. So we're going to go on Canva. I'm going to show you guys how to put together some dope designs for your t-shirt inside of Canva, silhouette, Photoshop. I'm going to show you guys how to do some things, alright? So stick with your girl. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. And y'all know the deal. Y'all know the drill. Give me that thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, or that thumbs down, thumbs down, thumbs down. Y'all know YouTube, they like this kind of stuff. They kinky like that. Nah, I'm just kidding. But the algorithm, it helps the algorithm if people are interacting. So please, guys, I say this to y'all every time in every video, yet I really see no interaction. I mean, y'all worse than the damn Apollo audience. What's up? Can I get a thumbs up? Can I get a thumbs down? Can I get a hey, good job? Can I get a you suck? Something. Help a sister out. All right. And on that note, I'm going to say, peace out. Here's to your success. Catch you on the next go round.